Welcome, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 6R, and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So if you just want to change the animation on fingerprint scanner and you don't want to how to do that, first you should open the settings application and then scroll to the password, fingerprint and face recognition feature section, then tap to fingerprint, just use your unlock method here and click to fingerprint animation style and just here select one from these animations which you will like. For example, let's use this one. After that, just let's go to the home screen, let's lock our smartphone, and now we can see that we just successfully changed fingerprint sensor animation. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.